Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another passion twist tutorial. This is a beginner friendly tutorial, so if you're having trouble with passion twist, so this is a tutorial for you. So I'm gonna use the Featureless water wave. I'm using color 4 that matches her hair color. I'm gonna cut it into 2 equal parts, and this is how the hair looks like. I will start by applying the shine and jam on her hair, and then I'm gonna comb it through her hair and then part her hair. And all the product I use for this tutorial will be linked down below in the description box, so please check it out. So I'm just parting the hair according to the size that she wants. For this hairstyle, we're doing the medium size. I'm also applying another shine and gel to define the part, and I'm gonna comb it out before cutting it to the desired size. So I forgot to mention that you don't have to cut the Featureless braiding hair into 2 unless you want shoulder length like my client desired. So if you want it long, you can leave it just like that, like the length, and you can use it to braid like that depending on the length that you want. So I'm gonna take a piece and half of the hair that I already cut into 2. I'm gonna place it on the hair and start by doing box braid. So I'm gonna do the box braid like about 4 to 5 rounds of the box braid, and I'm gonna section the one in the middle into 2 equal parts, making it into 2 rows, and I'm gonna twist it all together as I'm crisscrossing it together and twisting at the same time. So you're gonna do the box braid about 4 to 5 times down, and then you're gonna turn the one in the middle and split it into 2, if that makes sense. So it's gonna become 2 instead of 3. So you're gonna place it on top of each other. You're gonna make sure you're twisting as you're crisscrossing it together. And just to let you know, you don't have to do the box braid before turning it into twist. You can twist it from the roots, but I would not recommend if you have like a 3C hair texture, like a hair that is already curly or very thin, to start with twisting from the roots. It might not hold, it can slip out, but in order to make sure the roots is more gripped and secured, you're going to make sure you start with the box braid first. Unless you have like a thicker hair, I mean, then you can twist it from the root, if that makes sense. this is what we have so far. I just love the style. What is there now to love? Like, it feels so good to touch, and it's just very easy, and it looks really nice and not heavy at all. It's lightweight, and I just love the fluffiness. And if you have done the style before, let me know in the comment section what other hair brand you've used before. Have you tried another curly pattern? I only use the water wave from Feature. So if you've tried another brand before and you feel it's feels better or look better, please leave it down in the comment section down below. And when you're done twisting, you can always apply your mousse to reduce any frizziness that is coming out from the hair. And I also recommend using the mousse once in a while because the hair is synthetic. So when it's looking like it's getting frizzy, you can always apply your mousse and it calms it down. And also got to be is also great for any, I actually use it for almost all braid styles. So you can use the got to be as well, and then make sure you're moisturizing with oil sheen and whatever moisturizer that you use. You make sure it's getting to the scalp. So this is the finished look. You can see how neat and beautiful it comes out, especially if you're someone who don't like your braids too long. So she got like shoulder length and it came out looking really nice. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to click the like button. Also, please subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Also, check me out on Instagram at sooooo112. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.